is the third reading copy
Yes.
of the bill sent to your respective offices. That is why the majority leader earlier said that the third reading copy was distributed last January 8th by electronic mail to the members. That would be the controlling copy of what we will be voting upon this afternoon, as we have in previous sessions.
Yes. It's very clear now. It's clarified because not just the senators, but even the staff got confused upon seeing the Senate website, which still contained the 6 years because it was the committee report.
Noted, ma'am.
But we are voting clearly for
It's
4 years.
4 years.
Very clear. Thank you.
Noted,
Mr.
ma'am. What is the majority floor leader?
Mr. President, having settled the finer details of the bill, I move that the Senate Secretary be directed to read the title of the measure and that this chamber proceed with a roll call vote.
Any objection? Hearing none, Senate Secretary is directed to read the title only of the measure and to proceed to roll call vote.
An act setting the term of office of barangay officials and members of the Sangguniang Kabataan for other purposes. Roll call vote. The Honorable Senator Binay, Senator Cayetano Alan, Senator Cayetano Pia, Senator De La Rosa, Senator Ejercito, Senator Estrada, Senator Gatchalian, Senator Go, Senator Ontiveros, Senator Lapid, Senator Legarda, Senator Marcos, Senator Padilla, Senator Pimentel, Senator Poe, Senator Revilla, Senator Tolentino, Senator Tulfo, Senator Villanueva, Senator Villar Cynthia, Senator Villar Mark, Senator Zubiri, the Senate President.
With 22 affirmative votes, 0 negative, 0 abstention, Senate Bill number 2816 is approved on third reading.
Mr. President, Senator Robin Hood Padilla is seeking the floor to explain his vote.
Senator Padilla is recognized. You may proceed, sir.
Maraming salamat po, Ginoong Pangulo. Ako po ay tumatayo sa pulpitong ito upang ipahayag po ang aking pagsuporta sa panukalang batas po na ipinukala ng ating kaibigan na kasamahan, Senadora Amy Marcos. Ginoong Pangulo, una po, batay sa lente ng ating saligang batas. Malinaw naman sa Section 8, Artikulo 10 na hindi kabilang ang barangay official sa mga opisyal na dilimitahan sa 3 taon ang termino ng paninilbihan. Sa halip, ang Kongreso sa pamamagitan ng pagpapasa ng batas ang maaaring magtakda ng kanilang termino. Gayunpaman, malaya naman po ang sinuman na maghain ng petisyon upang hamunin ang pagiging konstitusyonal ng maipapasang batas. Ikalawa, mula po sa praktikal na perspektibo, hindi po talaga sapat ang 3 taon upang maisagawa ng mga naihalal na opisyal ang kanilang mga inilatag na plataforma at mga ninanais na programa. Nakapaloob rin po ang obserbasyong ito sa position paper ng League of Cities of the Philippines. Dagdag na rin po sa mga hamong inaharap ng ating mga opisyal na siya ring obserbasyon ng ating butihing sponsor ang kakulangan sa oras sa implementasyon ng kanilang mga inisyatiba dahil po sa napakaraming responsibilidad na ibinaba sa ating mga lokal na pamahalaan. Ikatlo, naniniwala po tayo na mas magkakaroon ng stability ang ating mga sangguniang barangay sa pagsasagawa ng kanilang tungkulin kung mas mahaba ang kanilang termino. Alam naman po natin, Ginoong Pangulo, na may mga pagkakataon kapag hindi kapartido o kakampi ang mga nakaraang nasa pwesto ay hindi na matutuloy ang mga programa o proyekto, gaano man kabisa ang mga ito. Ginoong Pangulo, ang ating pong matitipid sa madalas na pagsasagawa ng halalan para sa mga opisyal ng barangay ay maaari nating mailaan para sa mga makabuluhan at epektibong programa at proyekto ng ating pamahalaan. Sa kadahilan ng ito, buo po ang aking suporta para sa Senate Bill number 2816 na siyang magiging daan upang mapatatag pa natin ang ating mga opisyal sa pambarangay. Muli po, maraming salamat.
Noted and entered into the records.
President, Senator Jigo Estrada is likewise seeking the floor to explain.
Senate President Pro Tem Estrada is recognized. You
Thank
may
you,
proceed,
Mr.
sir.
President. Mr. President, I would like to register my support to the proposed measure setting to 4 years the term of office of all elected barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan officials. Congratulations in order for Senator Amy Marcos for successfully steering the approval of this bill. This will finally put to rest the issue of repetitive extension of barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan elections. Umaasa tayo na sa pagsasabatas nito ay may katiyakan na may pagpapatuloy ang pagpapatupad ng mga programa sa ating mga komunidad at magkakaroon ng mas matatag na pamamahala ang ating mga halal na mga barangay officials. Maraming salamat po, Ginoong Pangulo.
Noted and entered into the records. Majority Floor Leader.
President, Senator Zubiri is seeking the floor. I move
Senator Zubiri is recognized. You may proceed, sir.
Thank you very much, Mr. Senate President. If I just can be made as well a co-author of the measure, we've been fighting for this measure for quite a long time, fixing the dates of terms of our office of the elected officials in the barangays, especially the Sangguniang Kabataan. So we thank all the sponsors, together with Senator Marcos, for pushing for this measure. Hopefully, one day we can give an accompanying measure on their benefits as well, particularly on the volunteer workers, the BPO, yung mga TANOD, BHBO, yung mga daycare workers, and the health workers, of course, of the barangays. Maraming salamat, Mr. President.
Noted and entered into the records. What is the pleasure of the
Mr.
Honorable
President.
Villanueva?
Thank you, Mr. President. Just to put on record our sincerest thanks and gratitude to Senator Amy Marcos for also entertaining our amendments, and likewise, this representation would like to be a co-author of this measure. Thank you, Mr. President.
Noted and entered into the records. Majority Floor Leader.
Mr. President, Senator Bong Revilla is likewise seeking the floor.
Senator Revilla is recognized. You may proceed, sir.
Thank you, Mr. President. Buong-buong po ang ating suporta sa panukalang ito. Let us stress how the barangays defined under the local government code as the basic political unit. It serves as the primary planning and implementing unit of government policies, plans, programs, projects, and activities in the community. And as a forum wherein the collective views of the people may be expressed, crystallized, and considered, and where disputes are amicably settled. Ito mismo ang binibigyan natin ng diin kung paano nagsisilbing tulay ang ating mga barangay upang mas mapabilis at matiwasay ang pagdaloy ng mga programa ng ating pamahalaang diretso mismo sa mga mamamayan. Kaya I congratulate Senator Amy Marcos for this measure. Thank you, Mr. President.
Noted and entered into the records. Majority Floor Leader.
Mr. President, before we proceed with the third reading of the next measure, Mr. President, Senator Lauren Legarda would like to insert in the records her explanation of vote for Senate Bill number 2897, or the amendment of the Safe Spaces Act.
So inserted and entered into the records.
Mr. President, I was just informed that Senator Bongo would like to deliver his explanation of vote to Senate Bill number 2816, Mr. President. I move that he be recognized.
Senator Go is recognized. You may proceed, sir.
Mr. President, my dear colleagues, I rise before the August Chamber to manifest my support and the rationale behind my affirmative vote on Senate Bill number 2816, or an act setting the term of office of barangay officials and members of the Sangguniang Kabataan. As one of the authors of this measure, I am very happy with the progress of this bill, as this measure promotes stability and continuity in barangay and SK leadership. Isa lang po ang pakiusap ko sa ating mga barangay and SK officials. Unahin po natin ang pagsiservisyo sa ating mga kababayang mahirap, at tayo po'y bukas ang ating opisina para sa kanilang lahat, lalong-lalo na po sa inyong mga nasasakupan sa inyong barangay. Meanwhile, as the chairperson of the Senate Committee on Youth, the bill ensures that the Sangguniang Kabataan continues to play a vital component of youth representation, as this will also ensure the opportunity to empower young leaders and encourage civic engagement. By extending their term, we allow them to maximize their contributions to youth development and nation building. I thank and congratulate the principal sponsor of this measure, our dear colleague, Senator Amy Marcos, for pushing this significant measure that will surely be of great help toward our fellow Filipinos. This is all, Mr. President. Maraming salamat po.
Noted and entered into the records. Thank you, Honorable Go.